So I've put the Isomalt, which as I said was about 120 degrees, on a piece of mat. I've got a soft silicone mat, very easy to maneuver. And all I'm going to do is just to try and leave it for about half a minute to drop the temperature to about 80 degrees, and then start stretching it so that I can get some drips on the side of the splash. Ideally will be to kind of get something maybe like a bottle, and then just use it as a support so that I can stretch the mat and get more drips. But if not, we'll be fine. The amount of drips I've got already here, that irregular kind of texture on the side, it will be just enough to give me a really nice type of sail. Now I'm stretching, trying to get this Isomalt, convince this Isomalt to pour a few more millimeters on the side. And the bottle is also very good because it just allows the mat to get some air underneath, and then the sail will just chill quicker. If I put the mat flat on the table, it will take longer to cool. So I want to cool it up to about 60 degrees. It will take me about 2-3 minutes. So obviously I'm multitasking here. Now the Isomalt piece is about 60 degrees, so still very warm, but not super warm and not super cold. If the temperature goes below 50, there is a kind of high risk of getting the sail broken. So I still want to be able to maneuver and just give it more like a weird kind of shape. If I check, the temperature is about 58 degrees. I said not lower than 50, not higher than about 65, because both scenarios are not the perfect ones to go for. So I can just shape it in the way I want, and just in a matter of half minute, it will start cooling, and I will have to stop bending, because if I will carry on, it will break. And all I have to do is actually to leave it on the side. When the temperature reaches about drops below 50, is not going to change the shape anymore. So I can just either paint the edges with some gold, or place it. If you get any air bubbles on the surface, you can use a heating gun and then just point some heat and they will disappear.